Have you ever noticed how walking or climbing stairs suddenly feels a little more tiring? Or when you bend down to pick something up from the floor, you realize it takes a bit more effort than before. That slow, creeping loss of muscle strength is something many people over 60 experience, but instead of accepting it as an inevitable part of aging, did you know that you can actually do something to stop or even reverse this process? Aging is a natural part of life, but the decline in health and muscle strength doesn't have to be something you simply accept. The interesting part is that one of the simplest ways to maintain strength and flexibility is through fruit. No medications, no complicated workouts, just the common fruits available in your kitchen, which can help protect your muscles, prevent muscle loss, and keep you active and healthy. In today's video, I'll share with you 5 powerful fruits that science has proven to fight muscle loss, helping you maintain long-term health and independence. These fruits are not only easy to find but also safe for your health, even if you are managing issues like diabetes or heart disease. Stick around until the end of the video, because the top fruit on this list is sure to surprise you. Don't miss it. And if you enjoy tips like this, don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to the Seniors Knowledge channel where every tip is crafted just for you. Let's start with the first fruit. Bananas. A familiar, easy to find, and incredibly nutritious fruit. Although small in size, bananas offer many amazing health benefits, especially when it comes to muscle recovery and regeneration after exercise. Bananas are an excellent source of potassium, a vital mineral that helps maintain electrolyte balance in the body and supports muscle function. Potassium is essential for muscle contraction, and when you're deficient in it, your muscles can experience cramps, fatigue, and even injury. Eating bananas can help reduce these issues and promote faster muscle recovery after each workout. In addition to potassium, bananas provide vitamin B6, a crucial vitamin that helps the body produce protein, a key component in muscle regeneration and growth. Bananas also contain easily digestible carbohydrates, which provide quick energy after a workout, aiding in recovery and muscle tissue regeneration. The fiber in bananas not only benefits digestion but also helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. This prevents fatigue and helps sustain energy throughout the day. A study has shown that bananas can help reduce inflammation and improve muscle recovery due to the natural anti-inflammatory compounds found in the fruit. These benefits are especially useful for those who are frequently active or engage in high-intensity physical activities. Bananas are easy to eat and require no complicated preparation, just peel and enjoy. You can eat them directly, add them to smoothies, yogurt, salads, or even baked goods. With all these wonderful benefits, bananas are an ideal addition to your daily diet, helping to maintain muscle health and boost energy levels. Now, let's move on to the next fruit, one that's as familiar as it is powerful. Ready to chase away fatigue like an old friend. Do you remember those mornings when your legs feel stiff before your feet even touch the floor? Or those afternoons when your shoulders ache for no apparent reason? That tired, heavy feeling can creep in as we age, and it often lingers longer than we'd like. Let's let this fruit tackle that problem for you. Blueberries. A small fruit, yet packed with incredible strength for your health, especially in supporting muscles and aiding recovery after exercise. Blueberries are one of the richest sources of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, a type of flavonoid that helps protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. This antioxidant plays a crucial role in reducing inflammation and preventing oxidative stress, one of the main causes of muscle fatigue and delayed recovery. When we exercise, our muscles get damaged and need time to recover. Blueberries help minimize inflammation and muscle soreness, while promoting muscle tissue regeneration. This helps muscles recover more quickly and effectively, especially for those engaging in high-intensity workouts or prolonged physical activities. In addition to antioxidants, blueberries also contain high levels of vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system and boosts collagen production, a vital element for maintaining healthy muscle and joint tissues. Vitamin C also supports skin health and slows down the aging process, helping the body maintain its youthfulness and flexibility. A study has shown that consuming blueberries can improve workout performance and increase endurance, thanks to their ability to reduce muscle fatigue and enhance blood circulation. This is due to blueberries' ability to improve oxygen and nutrient flow to muscle cells, helping muscles function more efficiently. Not only that, Blueberries help maintain stable blood sugar levels, which is important for those who want to keep energy levels sustained throughout the day. They also help reduce cravings and support weight loss due to their high fiber content. Blueberries can be enjoyed fresh or added to smoothies, yogurt, salads, baked goods, or even savory dishes. With their refreshing, mildly sweet flavor, blueberries are not only easy to eat, but also very easy to combine with other foods to create delicious and nutritious meals. With their fantastic benefits for muscle health and recovery, blueberries deserve to be an essential part of the daily diet for anyone looking to maintain health and sustained energy. Now, let's move on to the next fruit, one that not only helps reduce pain but also helps your muscles perform at their very best. Apples. One of the most familiar and popular fruits, not only delicious but also offering numerous health benefits, especially in supporting muscles and aiding recovery after exercise. Apples are an excellent source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the body from free radicals that can damage cells, including muscle cells. Vitamin C not only boosts the immune system but also enhances collagen production, a vital element for maintaining the health of muscle and joint tissues, supporting muscle regeneration and recovery. In addition, apples contain a significant amount of fiber, which helps improve digestion and maintain stable blood sugar levels. When blood sugar levels are stable, the body has more sustained energy, allowing for longer workouts without feeling fatigued. This is crucial for those engaging in high-intensity physical activities. Apples also have anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce swelling and muscle soreness after exercise. The polyphenol in apples help reduce inflammation and improve blood circulation, supporting faster and more effective muscle recovery. By reducing inflammation, apples help protect muscles from wear and tear, improving overall health. With their high water content, apples help keep the body hydrated, which is crucial for maintaining muscle function and minimizing cramps. Apples are also very low in calories, making them an excellent choice for those wanting to maintain or lose weight while still providing enough energy for the body. Apples are easy to eat and can be combined with various dishes such as smoothies, salads, or eaten directly as a healthy snack. With their mildly sweet and crunchy taste, apples are a perfect addition to your daily diet, supporting muscle recovery and maintaining overall health. With all these benefits, apples are not just a delicious snack but also a great companion to help you maintain muscle health and boost energy. Now, let's move on to the next fruit, one that not only helps reduce pain but also ensures your muscles perform at their best. Let's talk about a fruit that's as beautiful as it is powerful. Pomegranate. Those tiny ruby red seeds may be small, but they hide incredible strength, especially when it comes to muscle health and resilience, particularly as we age. If you're looking for a natural way to boost energy, support circulation, and protect your muscles from wear and tear, pomegranate will definitely be a great companion. Pomegranates are packed with antioxidants, especially punicalagin, a polyphenol that helps combat oxidative stress in the body. Oxidative stress is one of the main causes of muscle fatigue and aging. So, when we feel tired after even light activity, or when our muscles take longer to recover, it's a sign that oxidative stress is working. By reducing oxidative stress, pomegranates help protect the integrity of muscle fibers and enhance their functional performance. However, what truly makes pomegranate special is its ability to improve blood circulation. Pomegranate boosts the production of nitric oxide, which helps expand blood vessels and improves circulation. This is crucial for muscles because better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to muscle tissues, helping muscles perform better during exercise and recover faster afterward. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that older adults who consumed pomegranate extract before physical activity felt more enduring and less fatigued. Another trial showed that pomegranate helped reduce muscle soreness and improved recovery times, even in people who didn't engage in high-intensity exercise. This is great news for those simply looking to maintain activities like light walking or household chores. And if you've ever felt tight or sore after being inactive, pomegranate once again shows its benefits. Its anti-inflammatory properties help ease muscle stiffness, almost like giving your muscle tissues a smoother surface, minimizing obstacles to movement. Pomegranate also supports the health of mitochondria, the powerhouses of the cells. The more efficient your mitochondria are, the more energy and stamina you'll have to enjoy the day, whether it's playing with your grandchildren or preparing a large meal for your family. And don't forget, the benefits of pomegranate don't just come from the juice. You can enjoy the seeds, called arils, directly, sprinkle them over yogurt, toss them in a salad, or blend them into smoothies. They have a tangy, refreshing flavor and are very easy to enjoy. But remember, moderation is key. While pomegranate juice is great for health, it can also be concentrated in natural sugars. Opt for 100% juice. Avoid those with added sugars, and limit your intake to 4 to 6 ounces per day. Or you can eat the seeds directly to not only take advantage of the antioxidants but also get fiber from them. Now, let's move on to the next fruit. One that's not only visually appealing with its vibrant colors but also powerful in supporting muscle health and promoting recovery after exercise. Papaya. A tropical fruit with a sweet and smooth flavor, not only appealing but also offering numerous incredible health benefits, especially in supporting muscles and recovery after exercise. Papaya is a rich source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps minimize damage from free radicals in the body, protecting muscles and cells from aging. Vitamin C also plays a crucial role in collagen production, an essential component for maintaining the elasticity of muscle and joint tissues, helping the body recover quickly after physical activity. In addition to vitamin C, papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which aids in protein digestion. This is particularly useful for those who engage in sports, as muscles need protein to regenerate and grow. Papain helps the body absorb protein more efficiently, while also reducing inflammation and soothing sore muscles after exercise. Papaya is also very rich in beta-carotene, a form of vitamin A, which helps maintain healthy skin and muscle tissues. Beta-carotene has antioxidant properties that protect cells from the harmful effects of free radicals, allowing the body to maintain youthfulness and flexibility. Minerals like potassium in papaya help balance electrolytes and maintain muscle function, preventing cramps after physical exertion. With its high water content, papaya helps keep the body hydrated, which is crucial for maintaining effective muscle function and other bodily processes. Especially, papaya can help reduce muscle tension and soreness, thanks to its natural anti-inflammatory properties. Papaya can be eaten fresh, made into smoothies, or added to salads, desserts, and even savory dishes. With its sweet and refreshing taste, papaya is an excellent choice to incorporate into your daily diet, supporting muscle recovery and overall health. With its outstanding benefits for muscle health and recovery, papaya is a nutritious food you shouldn't miss, especially when aiming to improve stamina and flexibility. Let's combine 5 simple, familiar, yet powerful fruits: apples, pomegranates, bananas, blueberries, and papayas. Each of these fruits carries its own strength, not only for muscles but also for energy, mobility, independence, and your overall joy. They aren't expensive superfoods, but they are available at your local grocery store. Just by adding them to your daily meals, you'll start to feel a difference: more energy, less soreness, and better sleep. No need for a gym membership or complicated plans, just simple and consistent habits. Each apple, each blueberry, each glass of pomegranate juice, or a slice of banana or papaya is a small, beautiful choice that helps you build strength and grow every day. Take care of yourself, your body, and your mind. You're stronger than you think. I'd love to hear your story. Have you tried any of these fruits? Have you noticed a difference in your body? Share your story in the comments, as your experience could inspire someone today. And if you found this video helpful, please like and consider subscribing to the Seniors Knowledge channel.